It has a decent little sound to it. Give you guys a couple revs here. That's the sound I like right there, that deep. 1100 is back, all fixed up.
'Woo! Nice cold start. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. I am on my way right now to drop the truck off at Block a Chip so that they can replace this passenger side door XPEL film and the passenger side rear door as well. So I talked to you guys about that in the previous video, but now we're going to drop the truck off, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we are here at Block a Chip dropping off the truck, so I will probably bring you guys back in once they are all finished. Lock her up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm picking up the truck here today. Block a Chip did their thing with it. The film is now on. Everything is back and how it used to be on the truck on this side. Remember, we had that bubble right here on this side right here. Okay, guys, here's a better look at what they will be replacing at Block a Chip. It's this whole section right here. This is what Gerber Collision took off to replace this fender and fix all the damage that was in this area from when I hit that rock. And this right here was left on, so you can still see the line right here maybe, but you see this bubble right here. They're going to take this one off as well and put a new sheet of film on this side as well. But this is a full new strip all the way down. Same thing here where Gerber completely took off this section here, and now this is replaced with a new strip as well, all the way down. Again, you can't see it, which is the whole point. You may be able to see that little line right there, but the film is now back. Everything looks nice, neat, and clean on this side. I did throw them an extra because they did put in the A pillars and B pillars here, so they did this section here, and then these two on the door, same on the driver's side as well. So those look good. And originally, remember, we got the rear bumper, the front bumper, these two fin pieces on our original install of the XPEL film, but I'm absolutely glad I go with this XPEL film from Block a Chip because they do an awesome job putting it on there, and it has saved me from some paint and damage, or some damaged paint, I should say, especially with hitting that rock. So if you are ever interested in getting a PPF on your vehicle, I would absolutely 10 out of 10 recommend it. Yes, it is a little pricey, but it does its job, and I'm so happy I put it on the truck, especially for that little accident that I had. But it is what it is. Blue burnt tips still rumbling real nice back here. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Gonna hop back in the truck here, get my butt on home. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, check the links below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.